Unraveling the meaning of Old Harp in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, Old Harp. This may not be a phrase you hear every day, but understanding it can give you deeper insight into the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what Old Harp means and how you can use it in your conversations. Old harp isn't a common phrase in contemporary English, and its meaning can vary depending on the context. However, in most cases, it refers to something old-fashioned, out of date, or not in current use anymore. It could be an object, an idea, or even a way of doing things. For example, someone might say, "That method is an old harp," implying that the method is outdated. The phrase, old harp, might originate from the idea of an old musical instrument. Harps have been around for thousands of years, so calling something an old harp could be a metaphor for its age or obsolescence. However, this phrase isn't deeply rooted in English literature or common speech, so its origins remain somewhat unclear. Even though it's not a widespread phrase, you can still use old harp in your conversations to sound more fluent and natural. Here are a few examples. 1. Describing technology or methods. Using a typewriter to write a book is like playing an old harp. 2. In discussions about traditions. Following that ritual is like strumming an old harp. It's beautiful but outdated. 3. When talking about music or art. His style of painting is an old harp in today's art world. English is rich with phrases that convey the idea of something being outdated or old-fashioned. Some similar phrases include, a thing of the past, old school, outdated, antiquated. Understanding these phrases will help you express the concept of obsolescence or old-fashionedness in different ways. Thank you for joining me today to explore the phrase, old harp. While it's not a common expression, understanding such unique phrases can add color to your English speaking and writing skills. Remember, language is always evolving, and phrases like, old harp, show the poetic and diverse nature of English. Keep practicing, and I hope this video has been helpful in your language learning journey. See you in the next one.